In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually set your location in the Skyview app on iPhone. If you're stargazing from indoors, traveling, or planning observations for a different place, setting your location manually in Skyview is a great way to make sure the night sky you see on your screen matches the sky you want to explore. Start by opening the Skyview app on your iPhone. By default, Skyview tries to use your device's GPS, but today we're going to override that so you can choose a specific place. Once the app is open, look for the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. It's typically in the top corner of the screen. Tap that to open the app's main menu. From the menu, choose Settings. You'll recognize it by the little wrench icon. The Settings area is where Skyview stores all your preferences and controls for how the app behaves. Inside Settings, find and tap Location. This is the section that tells Skyview where you are, so it can accurately position stars, planets, and constellations. Next, choose Select Location manually. This option lets you set a fixed location instead of relying on your phone's current position. It's especially helpful if your GPS signal is weak or if you're planning future observations in a city you'll be visiting. Tap Search Location to bring up the search and selection tools. You can type in a place name or browse the available options. When prompted, select your country, then your city. If your exact city isn't listed, pick the closest major city near you. The sky map will still be accurate for most observing purposes. You can always refine the search if needed. After selecting your city, Skyview will display the coordinates for your chosen location. These coordinates, latitude and longitude, are a precise way of placing you on the globe, and they're what the app uses to calculate what's above your horizon. Take a quick moment to confirm they look right for your chosen city. When you're satisfied, close the settings to apply the new location. Depending on your version of the app, that may mean tapping a close button, an X, or simply backing out of the menu. You'll return to the main Skyview, and the star map will now reflect the location you set. If you ever want to go back to automatic GPS in the future, head back to the location section and switch off manual selection. That's it, your manual location is set and you're ready to explore the sky from exactly where you choose. Happy stargazing!